How to turn off auto brightness on your iPhone. To do this, you want to go to settings. If you don't have settings on the home page, you can just swipe left all the way till you see these applications and you can just select settings over here, or if not, you can just tap over here and then type in settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down till you see display and brightness. Just click on that, and here you can just scroll down till you see brightness. And because it says brightness, you would think that it is here, but it is not actually here. You want to scroll till you see accessibility, because Apple likes to make things complicated sometimes. Once you're in accessibilities, go to display and text size, and over here scroll down till you see auto brightness. You can turn it off over here, so the screen's brightness is not going to automatically change, or you can turn it on over here. So you would think that it would be here, but it is not. You have to go to the settings and change it. I think it is complicated unnecessarily, and it could have been fixed in the action center, but that's all right. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys. If it has been, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.